Apologies, guys. I had a technical issue on my with my system. Okay, so mm, okay, so I'm just going to mm, okay. Yeah, I'm just going to start again so that we can have a complete recording for those that are not here. So you download Figma on your system. You can go to Google, just type Figma, excuse me, on your laptop, on your either Google Drive, whatever search engine you are using, and then sign up, create an account, and log in. I have an account already, so I'm just going to log into my account using my Gmail. And then it brings you to this screen, to this first screen, and you select new FigJam file. Once you selected new FigJam file, you go to this, you click on more, like you just click on this guy here and type user persona. So click on the template, add template, and then it gives you this template that you can fill in. And for instance, if you want to change this avatar to your picture, once you click on it, this image, this icon represents image, so you can easily put an image from your laptop, or you can use another image through plugins. So how do you get a plugin? Just click on find more plugin or find plugin, because you might not have, but I do have this. So you can search for Unsplash. So for instance, go to plugin. This is Unsplash, but just for the purpose of this, just type Unsplash. And then once you see, find it, just run it. So on Unsplash, you can search for images. For example, I can search for black lady or black man, and then I can use whatever image I feel. If I want to search for a black male, and I can even put black young male.
Please, can I interrupt you a little bit?
What did you
Since
say?
I'm lost, can I just interrupt you or stop you a little bit? So after the, you said you should click on new Figma, Figma, whatever the name is, file.
FigJam.
So FigJam, right? So I have clicked on that, but you now said we should do something next. I missed that, so I can't. I'm not up to speed. So what else do I need to do after clicking on that?
Yeah,
So
you
after
open the FigJam file.
okay.
Okay, and then yeah, the thing is, I don't want this video to be interrupted. So
Okay, I'll
because
just
other
keep quiet.
people will watch it, you get.
Okay,
So
I'm sorry.
after we are done with the recording, we can ask questions, right?
Yeah, okay.
So yeah, I know you're trying to follow, which is good, but yeah. So using Unsplash, you can search for images, and then you put them, and then you come here. You can edit this. You put your bio, like about yourself, or more like introduction of work, because what you guys are doing is you are using this persona to pitch more like, so it's more like tell me about yourself. What will be in the bio will be about tell me about yourself. And everything here, you can edit. You can edit every single thing here. You can remove these guys. This one, if you feel like it's not useful, you can just draw and then delete it if you feel like it's not useful. So yeah. Let me Ctrl Z. Okay, so you can actually edit this, and then you can edit whatever is here. You can put more cards here if you feel like the cards are not enough for you. This sticky note here, you can bring it and put it and then write. And also you can increase the font because it looks like the font is little. So just like in Miro, the way it is, you can increase the font to medium or large or extra large or huge, whatever you want. However you want it to be. Can increase it, can change the font type and size, can change, yeah, whatever you want, how you want it. So yeah, that's it. Like that's how to actually create a persona. So you can increase it here. It looks like it's small, so you can say you want it to be 50 so that you can see everything that you are doing very well. Or you can reduce it as well, zoom out, zoom in, however you want, all of those. So yeah, basically that's it. So back to Tosi, I believe you're the one that spoke, right? Because I can't
Yes.
see you looking on the screen.
Yes. Yes.
So once you open your FigJam, the next thing is to come here.
Okay.
Where there is more next to the sticky notes.
Oh, okay.
Once you click on it, you go to templates, or it will be on all, and just type user persona, and then you select the user persona, and then you start whatever it is you want to do.
Okay.
So that's it.
Thank
That's
you very much. I got it.
You're welcome. Okay, now I can't see where my Zoom is to stop. Oh Lord. Allow me, please. Can you hear me stop the recording? I can't seem to find the Zoom where my Zoom is.
It won't let me.
Oh no.
Maybe you might have to end the call and then we all join back.
Oh Lord. Okay.